I'm at Sisters Beach boat ramp, and I thought this would be a very interesting long exposure because there's quite a few waves. They're not really high or anything, but there's quite a bit of movement, and there's a very strong breeze at the moment. So it's been a lot of combating both elements. So if I have a look here in the back of the camera, hopefully you can see that shot there, but I will bring it up in the screen for you. And I've done another couple of angles as well. I guess we'll see which one looks the best. There's a couple of interesting elements here that I'll try and get in another shot from the left-hand side with, because there's a couple of iron bars in the water there over beside those signs. And they might make an interesting element in the photo.